Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who now. Back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking it with me today, man. So if you're first time coming across my channel, first time seeing any of my videos, I am participating in Vlogmas. So what Vlogmas is, basically from December 1st through December 25th, Christmas Day, I'm uploading a video every day. Some YouTubers do. Not really done on the automotive channel, I haven't seen, but I know it's done like on the family vlog channel. So my video is going to be a bit different from what you normally experience. Probably about the same, but a bit different. They're going to be a little more unedited, a lot shorter, because I got to get them out every day. So it's going to be a pretty good challenge for me personally. So I have to get that disclaimer because I'm pretty sure somebody's going to come across this video for the first time and have no idea who I am or about my channel. So this is Vlogmas 2020, man. I want to talk about one thing, and this has been bugging me for a while. I just don't get it, and that is this right here. And I'm pointing at the Raptor Grille, guys. I'm pointing at the Raptor Grille. I do not get the hate that so many people have about people putting the Raptor Grille on the F150. Or I just don't get it. So many people, mainly the Raptor owners, if you're in the Raptors on here and you're watching, comment below, hate when F150 guys like myself put the Raptor Grille on their F150. They just hate it. And I don't know why. And this came to my attention. It's funny because I posted in the on my community page about possibly going back to my stock grill. Just throwing it out there, but the day before, there was a comment in the a Facebook group chat, and a guy, he had a Lariat, and he had a Lariat grill, very nice truck, but he wanted to go to the Raptor Grille. And the guy commented, if you that guy watching, you know who you are, he was like, don't do that. That's an embarrassment to the Ford community. That's the worst. He just belittled this guy, basically calling him an idiot. You just embarrassing everybody by doing that. And it was like, what? Like, he took it way too far. I'm like, bro, by putting a grill on a truck, it's embarrassing the Ford community. If you ask me, this shit look dope. This shit looks badass. It makes the truck look a lot more aggressive. So I just don't get the hate behind it. Like, I just don't understand it. Well, I ain't gonna say that. I kind of do understand it, because it's like, I guess you kind of compare it to, I see some guys who swap and put like a Hellcat badge on a Scat Pack. To me, that is like the ultimate no-no. Like, why would you put a Hellcat badge on a Scat Pack? That's a no-no, because everybody know the Hellcat has the whine, the 707 horsepower, and I'm kind of comparing it to that, but it's kind of the same thing to, I don't know. What you think? I just don't think putting the Ford Raptor Grille on a Ford truck on the F-150 is a sin like it would be putting a Hellcat badge on a Scat Pack. I think that's just a no. But all the Raptor guys saying you don't have a real Raptor, that's what the other guy said. He like, it's insulting to people who actually can pay and afford a Raptor. I'm like, what does that got to do with anything? You know, just because you bought the biggest truck, you think you bad, bro? I don't get that. But now I can understand, let's say, for example, I went and put Raptor stickers all down the side, like Raptor on the back. You know how the Raptor stuff looks. I can see if I did that, you know. I definitely can understand where the hate could come from. But just putting the Raptor Grille on there, bro, I just don't get the hate. Like, I don't understand it. So y'all talk about it in the comments, which, I mean, I know a lot of you all, it's funny, in that post I put, a lot of y'all actually recommended the stock grill over the Raptor Grille. And one of the main reasons was, one, the stock does look good, and two, everybody has the Raptor Grille. And I do agree, everybody does have it. But there's a reason why everybody has it, because it looks good. It looks good. That's why everybody has it, guys. I'm opposed to both. I love the stock and I love the Raptor Grille. I think they both have their own place. More aggressive look, Raptor Grille. Just a good, clean look, stock grill. That's how I like it. And somebody else said that in the community page, and I agree 100% with that. It just depends on the look you want to go for. With my light bar and the Raptor Grille and the Enzo headlight, it's more for aggressive look. With the wheels sticking out, it's meant to be more of an aggressive look. But it will look good with the stock grill too. And that's another thing. Everybody's doing it. And I mean, you don't want to be like everybody else. I get it. But when I say everybody, I mean other manufacturers. Ram now has it. And also, guess what the TRX has? The TRX now has the 3 lights in the grill. Tacoma has Tacoma on there, I think. The Tundra has Tundra. Like, I don't think Chevy has it, but Chevy had GMC on there. But I don't think they have one that says like Silverado. That's just kind of corny, actually. But anyway, yeah, everybody's doing it because it's a good look, man. So, I don't know. Comment below what y'all think. Why is there so much hate on the Raptor Grille on the F-150? Like everybody's saying, it just, you don't have a real Raptor, so you shouldn't have that on your truck. I mean, honestly, I don't think, like I said, if Ram is doing it and everybody else is doing it, why can't another F-150 owner do it to his F-150 and say he don't have a Raptor. You know, I don't know. I don't get it. Comment below what y'all think, man. I just want to talk about that. I think it looks dope. Of course, everybody is doing it, like I said, but there's a reason. It looks good. It looks good. Tell me if I'm wrong. You're looking at it right now. Does it? It looks good. You can see it's a good look. So anyway, just some stuff I want to talk about. If you got questions, a subject you want me to cover, feel free. But yeah, hate it or love it. Hate or love the Raptor Grille. It's one of the two. But I don't know. I just don't get all the hate about it, man. It's just like, it's an ego thing. Like, I have a real Raptor. You don't. You shouldn't put that on there. Like, bro, what? Like, really? You know what I'm saying? I don't get it, man. Like, I don't know. I just don't get that. Anyway, that's all I got. It's your boy Q. I'll catch you on next, baby. Peace.